Y'all want to know how I got these bang ass babies? Focus. These bang ass babies done. Stay tuned. And the girl grabbed my bottom. She grabbed my bottom twice. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Woo. Take 20. Hi guys, well, no. I want people to do this. Madness. Applying some press-ons, which I got from Walmart. If you know, good girl cheap. Let's get right into the video. First time experience. Okay, so first things first, we got the nails. Walmart. Which one? Okay, I was thinking of going with the wannabe French tip. And it comes with a thing that you use, a buffer. It comes with a buffer, and it comes with the nails. Let me try to get the nails. We're not gonna use this because I already have my 2 buffers right here. So what we're gonna do is measure the nails. Oh, it comes with a sticker thing, so I don't have to use the glue. I could just paste it on. I literally don't have to use the glue. I could just paste it on. But we're still gonna use the glue. We're gonna use, if you guys live in Jamaica, you guys know this nail glue. So guys, we already have all our nails right here, all 5. We're not gonna use those, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna buff it a little bit. Just to get it on the rough edges. Okay, so let me tell you guys about my story time. Alright, so just leaving high school, started college, hanging with friends, going parties, stuff like that. We decided to go to the stripper club. Okay, we all got dolled up and stuff upon arriving to the club, right? We were there having fun and stuff. And when you go to the stripper club, like, you would have strippers walking around, people talking. You're in the club, music playing, everything, everyone's vibing, right? And I literally forgot what I wore that night, but honestly, a stripper was so attracted to me. I don't know if she was attracted to me or, but listen, every time that woman walks past me or walks by me, she spanked my ass. I did not know if that was something they normally do, or if it's she's trying to say hi, hey, whatever, you look cute or whatever. I don't know, but she literally walked past me every second and spanked my ass. I was like, what? Like, girl, why are you trying to spank my ass when I don't even got an ass? Are you serious? Was she for real? What do you guys think? You think it's normal for strippers to spank your ass while you're at the club? Or I don't know, do you guys think it's normal for a stripper to spank your ass while you're at the club? Washed. Typically you're supposed to push back the cuticles, but I do not have the thing to push it back, so I'm just gonna put the glue on it and stuff. I do not know if it's normal for strippers to spank your ass in the club, or was I supposed to smile, or was I supposed to feel uncomfortable, or I honestly do not know. I literally don't know if I was supposed to smile with this young lady. Ooh, it actually looks cute. Now, I do not know if I was supposed to smile at her for spanking my ass, or if it was just the norm for strippers to just walk by, spank your ass, and you give them money, or I don't know. But honestly, it was my first time. Very weird. I was expecting to see bitches dancing on pole, going up and down, up and down. But I had a whole different experience. I started to wonder if she was gay. Leave in the comments if you like these nails. Is it a yay or a nay? stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.